Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple characters in Character.AI. So first what you want to do is go back to the old website, since there's no option here to create a room or a group chat for multiple characters. So just click on profile right here and click on back to old site. This will redirect you here. Sure, you just need to hover to create or click on create, then there will be a create a room right here, so click on that. And you could pick a room name and I think you want something like that. And here, you just need to select the characters you want. So let's say this one and leave an Ackerman. And for the room topic, it's up to you. Let's just say anime. And just click on create that. This will redirect you here on this chat. And they basically type in anything and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.